Alright guys, I'm here in my 2013 Chevy Cruze, about to go through the car wash here at Supersonic, the automated car wash, and I clearly have my sunroof duct taped, and that's because the window part of it, my sunroof window, actually exploded and blew out, so I have no sunroof currently. I just duct taped it on the inside and the outside, and we're going to see if it will hold up through an automatic car wash. And so bear with me, we'll see what it looks like when they come out. I'm still here, I just had to put it down so I can drive. I'm really nervous right now. We'll see. I might get totally soaked. So we're entering the car wash. Oh boy, getting nervous. Duct tape. Hold up. Please protect this vehicle. Oh man. So my sunroof, my new window for my sunroof came in the mail today finally. But the shop was closed obviously already. It's already 6:30, so I gotta wait till Monday to get it installed. But I wanted my car cleaned for the weekend. Oh my gosh. I'm so afraid there's water that's gonna come through. I hope I duct taped it good. Guys, I love duct tape. I love duct tape. I really hope this car wash doesn't ruin my love for duct tape, like my car getting flooded. So far it's holding up. Oh man. What's going on next? Oh man, we're about to get waxed. Woo-wee! Alright, car wash. Be nice to my duct tape sunroof. Hot wax is dripping on the duct tape. Oh man. What I'm really worried about is the heated dryer at the end over here. I just hope it doesn't melt my duct tape. Melt it to the roof of my car. Oh man, I'll regret this car wash. This will be my biggest regret in the past few days for sure. It's going through this car wash. If this heats up the duct tape enough to melt it to my roof. So far we didn't get flooded, which is nice. Oh man, you hear that? It's getting worn and torn, it sounds like. Goodness gracious. Oh. I don't think the duct tape has fallen off yet. Oh man. Bear with me guys, we're about to see what it looks like after going through the car wash. I have no glass for my sunroof right now. Strictly duct tape. Let's see how she turned out. Let's see how she turned out, guys. Here's the moment of truth. Oh. Would you look at that? Duct tape held up strong. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, and by the way, it's bowed up like that because there's cardboard underneath. So cardboard and duct tape combination. Oh my gosh. It held up, guys. The car is not flooded. Good job, duct tape. I support you still. There you go, guys. That's your Mythbusters. Will duct tape hold up in an automatic car wash in replacement of your sunroof? Yes, it will.